How to change group photo on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change group photo on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on any group you want, like this one, and then click here in top corner. And now all you need to do is just click here and then click here and select any photo you want, and then just save it and you will be done. And that's how to change group photo on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.